So whenever you copy dates from any worksheet, you might see that these are not in proper date format, because just in case you want to try filters on these values, they won't be listed in the ascending or descending order, because these are not considered as the date. Moreover, if you will try to change the formatting of these values, even then nothing will happen, because Excel is not considering them as dates. But if you will just double click on it, it will just consider it. So you cannot just do it for all of the values. So how will you convert them into the date format so that the Excel considers each of the date values not as text but a date? So this is fairly easy. If you have googled a bit, you will see that you just have to apply the value function, and that value should be appearing as the date, but it is not. So how will you make some changes? Well, first of all, you can just copy all of these are actually in the correct form. Excel is actually considering them as dates. It's just that it's not in the correct format. So if you'll go to format cells and go to date, and then choose the desired date format and press OK, and then you will see that these are actually in the correct format. So now if you will just copy paste all of these as values, now if you will try to apply the filter, this will work perfectly fine. Yeah, if you'll descending order, ascending order. So this is how you change the values from the text format to the date format. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.